Leaves. No, sit down, mate.
Nah, take a seat.
Take a seat.
Nah, okay.
I need to shit really bad.
What, being controlling the roof?
Yeah. Nah, go do this shit now. Oh no! There's no fucking lock on the door!
We have some points now.
Yeah, what points?
I don't know, what, can I make a box like last time?
Let's keep going. I'm looking at this and going, far out. I'm not putting up with this rubbish. I get on four. Yeah. You get on all four.
I don't want to do my...
stools?
I don't want to do my...
Yeah, I know you. So can we just do some projects or something?
Yeah,
No,
just
we
do-
like
just
make
do
some.
projects and then get away points and
Yeah.
walk away happy
I'll look
days.
at this, you're not going to get any.
How many days will means we have to go out with
Give points anyway.
What's that?
So if you do projects, I'll give you all fours. Right?
Happy days. Can I do some?
You do something.
I haven't even started.
No? You got the offers. You're not well. What usually happens when you're not well?
That's an hour.
Yeah, I don't want to go home.
No, they literally, they don't even like leave any room for improvement. They're just like, going home.
Really?
Yeah, or they just want to be constantly.
Hurry up,
going
Zach, I
online.
need to piss. I don't want to go in the...
How the hell is he gonna?
It's probably gonna stink like shit. Just use a bit of grass.
So what have you been smoking? Seeds.
Ciggies.
Ciggies.
Oh, he's been smoking smoke.
I don't think it's taking a shit in there because I can't smell it.
Huh?
I think it's taking business so I can't smell it yet.
I haven't been
Yeah,
sleeping.
You'd be able to smell it.
I haven't been sleeping because I got taken off my tablets and shit.
You got what?
I got taken off my tablets, so she was like, hey, taking time. But I haven't been sleeping.
Sure.
I'm being serious.
Yeah, this kid was tripping out in class the whole time.
He's coming down from his ecky height.
On the go, yeah.
Over at the garage from... Over at the garage from ADHD. Get the fuck out of here, bro. I also got taken off my tablet.
What, the attention disorder shit?
Hey Steve, is it Steve?
Sam.
Sam, can I make a box like last time?
A box.
Yeah, remember all my fail boxes.
Your fail box.
Was that you? I don't think that was you. Oh yeah, never mind.
Mando.
That was like the other dude.
What'd you do? Make a box.
Yeah, I kept trying to make boxes, but they failed ass.
Yeah, you'd never be able to smash a box, would you?
Anyway, yeah, Sam.
Zach, mate, go to that corner.
What?
Please.
Go away.
Just go to that corner.
No, I'm good. What?
You can work at your own desk.
That's it.
Where's down, guys?
Start to walk.
Nah, boys, come back.
Yep. Come back. If you want your point,